Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Organic modern home design is a contemporary architectural style that merges the clean lines and simplicity of modern design with the warmth and natural elements of organic materials. This design philosophy emphasizes a harmonious connection between the built environment and the natural world, creating spaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and deeply connected to nature. Here's a closer look at the key elements and principles of organic modern home design. Reclaimed, sustainable, and locally sourced wood is a cornerstone of organic modern design. It brings warmth, texture, and a sense of earthiness to the interiors. Natural stones such as marble, granite, and slate are used for countertops, flooring, and accent walls, adding both durability and a raw, organic aesthetic. Incorporating indoor plants and green walls not only enhances the air quality but also strengthens the connection to nature. Earth tones. Shades of beige, brown, taupe, and gray dominate the color scheme, creating a calming and cohesive environment. Accents. While the primary palette remains neutral, occasional splashes of color, inspired by nature, like deep greens, blues, and rusts, can be introduced through textiles and accessories. Emphasizing simplicity, organic modern design often features open, uncluttered spaces that allow the materials and design elements to stand out. Functional furniture. Pieces are selected for their functionality and clean lines, avoiding ornate or overly decorative items. Eco-friendly materials. Use of materials that have minimal environmental impact, such as bamboo, cork, and recycled metal. Energy efficiency. Incorporating energy-efficient appliances, windows, and lighting to reduce the ecological footprint of the home. Expansive windows and glass doors that provide ample natural light and views of the outdoors, blurring the boundaries between interior and exterior spaces. Patios, decks, and gardens designed as extensions of the indoor living areas, fostering a direct connection with nature. Combining smooth and rough textures, such as polished concrete floors with woven rugs or rough-hewn wood beams with sleek metal fixtures, adds depth and visual interest. Layering textiles. Using a variety of textiles, like linen, wool, and cotton, in throws, cushions, and upholstery to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The design aims to create a balanced and harmonious relationship with the surrounding environment. This can be achieved by using local materials, positioning the home to maximize natural light, and designing landscapes that reflect the native flora. Prioritizing comfort and well-being, organic modern homes are designed to cater to the needs and preferences of the occupants. This includes creating flexible spaces that can adapt to different uses and promoting a sense of tranquility and relaxation. Unlike some modern designs that can feel cold or sterile, organic modern design seeks to create spaces that are timeless and enduring. The use of natural materials and a neutral color palette ensures that the home remains stylish and relevant over time. Emphasis is placed on craftsmanship and the unique qualities of handmade items. This can include custom furniture, bespoke cabinetry, and artisanal decor elements that add character and uniqueness to the space. Organic modern home design is a thoughtful and intentional approach to creating living spaces that honor both modern aesthetics and the natural world. By incorporating natural materials, sustainable practices, and a seamless indoor-outdoor connection, this design philosophy fosters environments that are not only beautiful but also nurturing and sustainable. Whether renovating an existing home or building anew, the principles of organic modern design offer a timeless and harmonious blueprint for creating spaces that truly feel like home. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!